right, it's another day, another beautiful day in Cairns, Australia. We're on our way to the Daintree Rainforest.
Yeah.
I think the national park is kind of closed because of the cyclone that just came through. They're doing a bunch of repairs and there's a bunch of flooding. But we should still be able to do like a little river cruise. So that's the plan right now. We're at least going to be able to be in the rainforest to an extent.
Yep, we're going to see some crocs.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Yep.
Cool, and we'll see you there. Jay, you think we're gonna see a crocodile?
I believe it, yeah.
Word.
Yeah, don't go swimming.
Keep away from water's edge. Do not enter the water. Okay. All right, here's our little spot. We're doing the...
I feel like we should have brought water.
Yeah, they got some.
Thank God.
We're doing the Solar Whisperer cruise. It's right here. I think there's a bunch of like little different like cruise companies. I think our boat's like pretty tiny. It's 3:30 p.m. That's the last one that they got for the day. Yeah, nice little spot.
This is Jurassic Park right now.
Yeah.
Welcome.
No, I feel like I should have worn shoes.
Oh yeah, they're crocs in your little toes. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Yeah, I feel like shoes would have protected my feet from the crocodiles a little bit more. Cassowary. If we see a cassowary, Jay, that would be so cool. That would be sick if we saw a cassowary.
Oh, what is that, a bird?
Yeah, dude, it's a big bird.
Word, I have a good feeling.
They're pretty mean too.
Something tells me we're gonna see a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And we're kind of like past the hot point of the day, so well,
We're at the hot point of the day.
So the croc's gonna be out there basking, I know it.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Mountains all around. Very nice.
See you on the boat.
Hi, how are you? Good, how you going, mate?
Good, man, how are you?
Good. What's the best seat in the house?
It doesn't really matter. You get sweaty anywhere.
Fair enough.
Yeah, it doesn't really. This is summer, guys. They're always sweaty.
Yep, it's hot. It's definitely hot.
Big. We're gonna take you on a little cruise on the Daintree River. See if we can find some wildlife here today. So you're probably all aware that we had a very big flood here about a month and a half ago. You'll see a lot of damage along the way, but we'll just see what we can find. My boss is actually in the little white boat on the other side. We do actually want to go there. Because we did see a little crocodile on the other side there. Attack you. So that's why we don't swim here. We don't stand close to the water either. Because you just never know if there's a crocodile sitting under the water somewhere close to shore, right where you want to step close to the water. So stay at least 5 meters away from the water and you'll be fine.
Not 5 meters right now.
Yeah, it's not 5 meters. He's not here, Dave. Here behind the dark log here.
Oh.
So right there, it's a tiny little one, but it is a saltwater crocodile. So all the extra sand. But yeah, this area is a beautiful area. It is actually the favorite area of the people that live in this street.
It's missing something.
Oh, the lens. Maybe we can find it.
Here.
All right, hold on. Yeah, I'll pull over a little bit.
That thing took one hell of a beating.
Oh,
I think it's on right now. Yep, me and Ty just stopped.
oh, you should see this thing. Hold on.
Dude, it's
I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Look at this.
I'm gonna take a picture of you. Come on, look at me. Yeah,
Dude.
no.
Oh gosh.
Oh no.
It's missing the lens. The back is all beat up.
And I had the rubber case on,
He took it off right before.
but I took it off right before because we were gonna go swimming. And I didn't want water getting all stuck in there. Oh.
They just took the case. He knew he was the next one. I lost money on the boat. Now he's. Yep, and now it's my turn again. Dang.
Yeah, what you got? It's your turn. Oh boy.
We gotta get out of here.
I go, you hear something fall off the roof. We're like, what was that?
What'd you hit?
My GoPro. Shit.
That was almost. At least we still have the footage. That's good. Hey,
yeah, it should be all right.
It looks all right. I think it was like the lens is actually good. It was just whatever the thing was on.
I'll have to get a top for the lens. All right, so realized about 25 minutes later that not only was the GoPro on the roof of my car, my wallet was as well. So we turn around, I dropped Jason off where the GoPro fell off, and then I drove back to the place to try to find it, and luckily ended up finding it in the road, which is just crazy. My ID's gone, but at least I have my cards and my cash. So we are back to Mossman Gorge with my wallet and my GoPro, back on track. I would like for everything to go smooth for the rest of the day. That would be very nice. And this place looks crazy.
Found it though. Found the wallet. Now we're here in the rainforest.
Look at that. He don't look so big on the camera, but I'll tell you what, that is a big old huntsman spider. Not as big as the ones in Laos. I don't know if you saw that video of me crawling through the caves with those big old spiders, but that was freaky. Woo! I don't think we'll be doing that again anytime soon. Mossman Gorge. Rex Creek Bridge. That's pretty cool. It was wobbly. Oh yeah. Cool. Let's see what's up over here. Pretty cool. At dinner in Port Douglas. What's this place called? Tin Can?
Tin Can or something like that.
Tin Cup, something. I ordered the seafood pasta. Looks absolutely amazing.
I got the special.
The special, it's
Barramundi.
yeah, barramundi on like a tom yum sauce or something like that.
Yum yum.
Pretty good.
Yep, tom yum yum.
We deserve a good meal after the struggles of the day.
Yeah, we do.
Woo! How's your food?
Delicious.
Yeah, I'd have to say the same.
Happy plate.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
hour back to Cairns, and then on to Melbourne. Last leg of the journey.
Yep.
Here we go. All right, so after that dinner, Jay and I came back to Melbourne. We had a pretty good time. We celebrated his birthday, and that was that. He flew out the next morning, and it's been a few days since then. I am now about to hop on a plane. I'm going to Italy for 1 month, and then back home to the States. It'll been a year and a half since I've been home, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, that is it for Australia. That is the end of my journey here. It's been great. Any of you friends that I've made here watching this video, I really appreciate y'all. Thank you for being my family away from home while I've been here. Cheers, y'all.